Alright guys, today we are tearing apart the INTEGRA motor. I got Rowdy here. We're going to start working on it. If you're going to make a comment about how messy the garage is, go ahead and leave that now. This is the community garage though. So if you're ever in Utah, you need a garage, and I saw you left a nasty comment, I'm going to tell you to kick some rocks. So let's get started on tearing this apart. Okay, so I want to pull the head off with everything attached to it. Rowdy says I'm a dumb idiot for that, so we're going to pull the intake manifold off first, or the supercharger / intake manifold. We're taking this off first. Let's do it. Alright, so we're getting into it. We pulled off the belts and little accessories, and getting ready to pull off the intake manifold. All these bolts are loose, like hand tight. Like, these aren't even the hard ones to get. Like, the ones underneath look like they're going to be a pain to get. So that's going to be interesting to see how loose those ones are. Valve cover is off, and a lot of these cam lobes look flawless, so that's good. That is a good sign. So we're going to pull the cams off, and then we're going to pull the head off. Alright, it's off. Anyone who wants it, $3 grand or best offer. Know what I got? No lowballers. Look at this, guys. We got a Gates racing belt for all the racing we're going to do. For all the Subarus we're going to gap. That was real shade right there. I meant that. Looks like so far everything we pulled off has been like OEM, all Honda parts. So that either means, that means two things. That means this car's been very well taken care of with OEM parts, or hasn't touched at all. Bam, and now we've got the cams off. Oh yeah, let's move on to the next part and get the head off. Alright, Rowdy, time to put all those muscles to work. Come on, brother! Ooh! I wonder if this has aftermarket head bolts in it.
Oh, that's one.
These are toasty. These are crispy. There's a light right there making this weird effect in the video. Oh, okay. Is it? There you go, yeah. Someone on the internet's gonna be like, why are you using an impact on motor parts? That's how you strip stuff. My dad's a master technician. He changed all the family's brakes in the driveway.
Yes. Yeah, no, it's really funny. When you put this back together, make sure you show every single torque you do on the head, because people always go, you didn't torque the head, you didn't torque the head. On all the Boosted Boys videos, they've built their motors so many times, so they don't ever really show them building them anymore. Yeah. And everyone's like, you didn't torque it, you didn't torque it. He's like,
I didn't like watch them until
a long time.
Until like the past 2 years.
Oh god, the magnet's not holding on.
Yeah.
Alright guys, everyone's watching this. These
them.
are trash now that we pulled them out.
Yeah.
They are trash though. Don't ever reuse head bolts.
Yeah.
I think I started watching
Unless they're ARPs, but factory ones do not
when
reuse.
they had like their
trash.
go-kart.
Ah, that's good.
It's like,
Yeah. I'm gonna put the Halo beam into this. Oh. Oh, that's dipstick.
I thought that was something. Yeah, that'll stay in the head. We'll have to take those out. Actually, it's probably not that big of a deal. Oh, your cylinders look great.
Is that sarcasm?
no, like bicycle chains.
Yeah. I say we put concrete in there. I've seen people do that also. Thanks for yeah, this looks pretty good actually. That is not bad. Oh, that's just coming off their finger also.
Yeah, no, that's
sweet. So funny story. My shop teacher, someone's gonna roast me for putting the head on top of tires, but I put towel. Anyway, anyone's gonna roast anyone on YouTube. He at one time we put a cylinder head on the table flat in shop class. We were all like 16, and he comes over, sees the head on the table on the mating surface, and he was screaming, "Mating surfaces!" And he chucks the head onto the ground, and we're all just like cowering in fear. And he's like, "You guys, you know, your customer just got a freshly machined head, and you put it down on the mating surface. Now their head isn't going to seal properly." And we're all just like, "We're sorry," all crying, like trying not to like burst into tears. And then he's like, "All right, so none of you guys can do that again, right?" "Yeah." So I threw it so that way you'd never forget to ever put something on its mating surface. Like, never do that. It's like, I traumatized you guys so you guys wouldn't make that mistake.
You're like, oh, what
And
happened?
then look at me now. Look, I left the header on so that way it won't even touch. Genius. All right, guys. All right, everyone watching this video, what color should we paint the block? I'm thinking like whatever the Chevys come in.
Silver.
No, we should do something to piss like some of the muscle car guys off. Like Ford. Should we do Ford blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, the oil would still show up if we had a leak also in Ford blue. Yeah, I think we're gonna do Ford blue. I think they'll fit the silver pretty good. Guys, I have bad news. I have holes in the engine. Look at all these holes here. There's a hole there. There's a hole. There's holes all over the engine. This engine's not gonna seal now. Look at this big hole right here. I don't even know how that happened. Hey guys, this is why you don't run Royal Purple. Press F to pay respects. Actually, guys, I really appreciate it if you guys all could press F in the comments. That'd be awesome. That's pretty. There's the one that had rod knock. Pretty rough. Pretty rough, some would say. There's the crank right there. Pretty rough, as some would say. That's not too bad though. The crank didn't get the bad of it. We should definitely be able to machine that. Everything else looks good on the crank though.
There's a 10 right behind you.
All right, guys. Crank is almost totally naked. We're almost ready to pull it out. Just like my ex.
Yeah, let me make it better.
Oh, we got it blessed. The ring lens failed already. Shit. Alright guys, crank is free. Well, let's not take it out all the way. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take it to a machine shop and get this this one right here fixed. It's not too bad actually. It's just minorly roughed up. So I think we should be able to micro polish it and save this crank. Then we'll figure out what we're gonna do for rods and such.
What proof for that it comes out?
Oh yeah, just in case no one believes me on the internet. Oh, there goes the thrush washer.
That's okay.
We're gonna get new ones anyway, so whatever. Anyway, next machine shop. Or next, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.